Different eyesight causes great harm. There is a common difference in diopters between our eyes. Mild difference has little impact on our eye health. However, if there is a great difference, and the diopters are over 2.5, it will do harm to your health. Follow me and avoid misunderstandings. How harmful is anisometropia? The first is binocular dysopia. You can't see an object as a whole. There will be image folding, which will affect the higher visual function. Meanwhile, it will cause strabismus, if one eye has developed into perceptual amblyopia. This eye will further develop into perceptual exotropia, because you can't focus on the target, so that separation occurs. Strabismus not only affects binocular visual function and development, but also affects the appearance, which causes children's psychological inferiority complex and brings negative emotions. I have engaged in popular science for 19 years. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, click like, and repost it. Different diopters will lead to amblyopia. When there is a great difference, the eye with poor eyesight is suppressed for a long time and will develop into anisometropic amblyopia, and it also leads to visual fatigue due to the different diopters or sizes of both eyes. The focusing position of the object image is asymmetric, but the adjustment of our eyes is synchronized. Therefore, adjustment fatigue will occur. Follow me to learn more about your eyes.